So today I thought I would share with you what I eat in a day, and today is Passover, so since we are in quarantine, I'm just going to be celebrating it with my nuclear family, which will still be very nice. And I thought it will be fun to share with you what I ate throughout the day and during Passover dinner. And this morning I'm starting off with a lot of liquids. In general, I try to incorporate as much liquid in the morning just because we have slept for so many hours and our bodies get dehydrated. So I started off by making this mug of half cold water, half hot water, and the juice of half a lime to make my lime water. And then I also made myself a cup of tea, and this tea is an anti-inflammatory tea that I just uploaded a recipe for. This is the second day that we have had it, so that's why I added today a little bit of water to it in order to dilute it. I also made myself this nice green smoothie, and I always have with me also a mason jar full of water, and it probably takes me about 2 to 3 hours to get through all these liquids, but it's a great way to get my day started. Meanwhile, I'll probably journal a little bit, I'll talk to my cousin, maybe watch 1 or 2 YouTube videos, and then probably I'll have lunch, and I think that's probably where you'll see me next. So now I'm going to have lunch, and for lunch I made this salad for everyone in the family. This is just my portion of it. And my mom also prepared us some green soup, and I have a recipe for this soup that I will link up here as well as in the description below if you want to give it a try. And I like to have it with some nutritional yeast. But yeah, now I'll eat this. After that, I'll probably wash the dishes, help my mom prep some food for tonight, take my dog out on a walk, and then I have a Pilates class through Zoom that I'm super excited to do, and I'll probably catch you after that when I have a snack. So I just finished my Pilates class. It was amazing. My body feels tired but good. And I made some oats for my snack. So before the class started, I just put some oats and chia seeds with hot water, cacao, and stevia, mixed it all together, let it sit and set during my class, and then I topped it off with cacao nibs, coconut shreds, and almond butter. And now I'm going to enjoy this before heading upstairs to photograph the different foods, and then probably we'll have the Seder and dinner. So that's all that I ate today. I had such a wonderful time with my family tonight at dinner. It was so fun to go through the Haggadah, sing all the songs, and eating so many amazing dishes that my mom prepared for us. It was so delicious, and I'm just so grateful right now for being able to spend Passover with my family. I didn't get to spend it with my extended family, of course, but normally we don't anyways, since we live in the US and they don't. But I talked to all my grandparents and cousins through WhatsApp earlier in the day, and I got to spend it at least with my nuclear family. We normally have friends over. We didn't do that, but it was such a great time. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a like. If this was your first time here, make sure that you're subscribed in order to join the community. And also let me know in the comments down below if you celebrate Passover or Easter. And if you do, how are you planning on celebrating it this year? Yeah, and I will see you very soon with a new video. Bye!